Protect your ATV from rain, snow, dirt, debris and damaging UV rays while in storage. Measures 86.5 x 49 by 33.5. Constructed of durable 210D polyester with a waterproof polyurethane coating. Cover fits securely over ATV and includes 3 sewn-in straps with buckles to keep it in place. Features slots at each corner of the cover to accommodate tie-down straps. Recommended for use on ATVs over 450 cc and small ATVs with large rack attachments. Jungle cameo color, storage bag included. Black Boar ATV covers help protect your ATV from rain, snow, dirt, debris and damaging UV rays while in storage. The durable 210D polyester cover with a polyurethane coating is waterproof and UV resistant to help prevent weather-related damage. Black Boar ATV covers provide a secure fit with 3 sewn-in, buckling straps, 2 transverse straps and 1 longitudinal strap. On each corner, there are slots to accommodate tie-down straps so that the cover can be used while trailering. Extra large ATV cover recommended for use on ATVs over 450 cc and small ATVs with large rack attachments. 86.5 x 49 by 33.5, jungle camo color. Top reviews from the United States. Great. Great fit for my 99 Polaris Sportsman 504x4. Front gun and bow mounts. I ordered the XL. It was a perfect fit with room for extra accessories. I am very satisfied with this product and the shipping speed.